Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam in front of you, and welcome back to my another new blog video. And I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today in this moment I would like to say something about why need to speaking English, and how is it possible for without any online coaching and offline coaching, and how to learn spoken English. So dear lovely friends, actually today's day actually most beautiful and most big opportunities for me and you, because uh, first of all your mindset up for learning English, and you can learn English, and most of the things actually, first of all you start this language, and daily and minimum 15 minutes or 10 minutes communication and communicate with others and your friends. And on the other hand, actually dear brothers, daily actually most important things for learning English, that is the uh, consistency is the main things, and regularity and main things. And I talk about without any online coaching and offline coaching, not admit, and because the and without coaching, and you have to learn English, because today's day you have many opportunities and many things, because you have to internet. Today's day actually internet and social media platform, that is the main things, because I have YouTube and Facebook, and that is the opportunities. Actually I am also beginning time, and many mistake. I think it is the doesn't matter, because beginning time and beginner level, and every learners and every speaking learners, and any other language learning time and beginning time, uh, so many mistake. I think it is that doesn't matter. And so they are lovely friends, actually you start, and today start this language for speaking with others, and daily make video, and 10 minutes and 15 minutes daily practicing video for in front of camera, and that is your shyness remove. I think that is the shyness remove. And so they are lovely friends. On the other hand, actually regularity men, and listening is the uh, most important. Listening, and after that speaking, and reading, writing. So they are friends. And without my main, actually my video is the main point. Without any coaching center, and you can how is it possible for learning English without any coaching center? So dear friends, you have to daily practicing video, and you have to learn new things. So thank you, dear brothers.